channel. Today I'm going to cook one of Africa's favorite puff puff. So come with me today guys in my kitchen and watch me cook Africans favorite snack, puff puff. Okay, so guys, to start making our puff puff, we are going to need 3 cups of flour, and I'm going ahead to just sift my 3 cups of flour. So 1, 2, 3 cups of flour there, and I'm going to just quickly sift that through to get rid of any lumps or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay. Alright, so there we have our flour in our bowl. So the next one that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding our 1 cup of sugar. Here I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. So there you have it. My sugar is in. Then after my sugar, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of instant yeast. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 teaspoons of instant yeast. After putting in your yeast, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add a teaspoon of nutmeg. So 1 teaspoon nutmeg, so ½ teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we're going to mix together all of our ingredients at this point. Mix together all of our ingredients. Yes. So now we mix them all together. Then I'm going to add my water now. I'm supposed to add 2 cups of warm water. So 2 cups of warm water. This is the first cup, and I'm going to just mix the warm water along with my dry ingredients. Okay. Okay. So 1 more cup of warm water. So all warm water, and I'm just going to mix my dough, mix it together real good. Then I'm going to place it in a warm place for 45 minutes. So I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to place it, mix it some more. Make sure that everything is incorporated. Mix it. And I'm going to put it in a warm place for 45 minutes. So now I'm going to cover it. So guys, you can see how my mixture is well mixed out, and I'm going to put it in a warm place. I'm going to put it in my stove for 45 minutes so that it can stay there and rise until it like double up in size. Like that's how we're gonna need it. So yes guys, that's what I'm gonna do next. Okay guys, so right here what you're seeing is me take out the batter after about, I'll let it stay for about 1 hour. So after it stayed for about 1 hour, I took it out, and now I'm using an ice cream scoop to put the batter inside of the frying pan. You're to remember to cover your frying pan with enough oil to cover your puff puff. So every time you take out some of the butter with the ice cream scoop, you can dip that in some oil so that the butter don't stick to the scoop. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna keep on turning it. You're gonna keep turning your puff puff until you get the desired color that you like. So whatever color you like, when you get that desired color, you can go ahead and take them out. So guys, I'm gonna keep flipping my wonderful puff puff that I've tried for the very first time. I am from the Caribbean, I'm not from Africa, but Africa sure do have some delicious food. I love you all Africans in the world. Yeah, this is your girl Pretty Lady representing you. I'm originally from Jamaica, but I love everything African. My kids can tell you I'm always watching African shows. I'm always watching African food. I love you, my fellow Africans. So here I'm trying your first dish that I saw from Africa, and it's your puff puff, and they have different name for them in different parts of Africa, but I'm not going to try to pronounce them because some of them might be a little bit difficult, but the puff puff, it's so easy for me to say it. So guys, trust me guys, so this is when I'm doing the voice over, so you know my children already tasted these puff puff, and they gave me great reviews about them, that they're so fluffy, that they're tasting so nice. And in Jamaica we have fried dumplings that is similar to the puff puff, but we do not put yeast in our fried dumpling. Yeah, but it's similar. It's similar to our fried dumpling, and our fried dumpling in Jamaica is very delicious. And you guys, your puff puff in Africa is so delicious. So shout out to you guys. So guys, you can see that my puff puff, they're really looking good at this point. They're really getting brown and wonderful. So it's soon time for me to take them out. So you can, when you're doing your puff puff, make sure that you don't leave them to burn. You have to stay there, watch them, turn them so that you at the end you can be successful in making your puff puff to your desired look and color. Because if you leave them, they might just burn up. You can't leave them for too long. So guys, right here I'm gonna put in a second batch of puff puff, some small ones. Now I'm gonna use a tablespoon measurement to put in these put in my butter in my oil, and I'm just going to repeat the process, turning, and then finish up the rest of the butter. And that's just basically it, guys. I'm just gonna enjoy myself, and my kids just gonna enjoy themselves eating these wonderful delicious puff puff. And yeah, and I'm going to be trying other African yes, so I will be trying other African foods on my channel. So I'm just going to finish up, and then you're going to see the finished product. And my children, I'm going to allow them to do taste tests on these puff puff to let you know how we like them. My son is tasting the puff puff to see what it is tasting like, so he's going to tell you. So what is it tasting like, son?
Tastes nice and sweet and airy.
Okay, this is the first time we are trying puff puff from Africa. I saw it online. It was like, I wanted to try this snack because I think it's going to be good. And here my son is telling you that it's really, really good. All right, so I have 3 sons, so I'm going to try the next one, the other son. Okay, you can get up. All right, this one. So what is it tasting like, son?
It tastes like plantain, but fried. Also in some dough.
So is it fluffy? What is the texture like?
It's soft. It's not chewy.
Okay. All right, next one. Guys, you're really enjoying the puff puff. All right, so this is another one of my child. He's going to tell us what it is like. What is it like? What is it like?
It tastes kind of sweet.
And what?
But it's like a fried dumpling but fluffy.
Okay, so is it good?
Yeah, pretty good.
All right, thank you. All right. So there you have it, guys. Wonderful, delicious puff puff. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a happy new year. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year! Bye bye.